I mean to say it is there in the description below. You need to download those files and you need to go as the procedure what I have been shown. So now let's do first thing is first. Now before going to this, you need to make sure that there are a couple of things to do that in your phone before rooting. So go to the settings of your device and then go to the about phone. You see the about phone, yeah, go there and go to the software info and make sure that your build number is here. You see a build number, right? Okay, now be tapping on this until you get the developer mode is enabled. So till you get that, be tapping continuously so you get the developer mode enabled. Then go back, scroll down, and you can see the developer options. The developer options here, the developer options. You can see the developer options. Okay, open it, and your developer options will be closed. So in order to root your device, you need to start the procedure from here. So enable the developer mode, click OK, and now you can see an OEM unlock. So please do enable it. Enable the OEM unlock, and then you can see the USB debugging which is there. Do enable it also, and now it's done. The developer mode option is done. Now you need to go to the lock screen and security. Make sure that your device is locked through pattern or something else. So lock your device, confirm it and lock your device. You can use any screen lock if you want, pin or pattern, anything, depends on you. Then go to the other security settings. Make sure that the send security reports will be here. Do disable it, and also go to the security policy update, and you can see that auto update is there, and disable it. So these two things should be done here, and once done, now the phone, you are able to root your phone. Now you need three things, that is, one, a USB connector to your phone, that is a USB transfer, and Windows PC, and the files which are being in the description below. So let's start it for rooting. So for rooting the phone, you need this is the two files I'll be given you in the description below. So the first thing is the J7 2016 root files by me, and this is the J7 2016 model. In case of any root, if your root has been not done, or if you have any problem, if the phone is not booting or something happened in between the installation, then you can directly flash this SMN7, this 710, sorry, I'm sorry, I have two devices, it's a continuous problem to me, so you can flash this SM-J710FN emergency restore if any problems in the device during root. So if you get any problems, you can just flash this, and this file size is 159 MB, and this consists of all the things except your system storage, the system image. Okay, and this one J7 2016 root files, let's extract it. So once you are extracted, open this. You can see the Odin V3 1.11.1. This is a software where you can flash your particular files to your device, tar files that we call as. And this is the Beta Super SU, that is a systemless root, which is a binary of root files. So this thing, this particular thing should be copied into your external SD card. Make sure that you copy into external SD card. And this is a J7 unlock boot. That it means that the encryption is being disabled during root time. So you need to flash it in order to install the TWRP. So flash this J7 unlock boot. And the next thing is stock boot. I will let you know what to do in the root process to use the stock boot image. So this is also an important thing. And the final thing is TWRP, that is 3.0.2 official update, where it has some encryption errors still which can't be resolved. Let's see in the further process if it resolves. Okay, now let's go for the routing section. So now in order to root your phone, you need to get the Samsung drivers. So to get the Samsung drivers, you need to go to the that's the Samsung keys, search in your Google, and then you can see the Samsung keys. Okay, you get the Samsung keys, you can see this, and now you see this keys. So this is your Windows, so you make sure you press this one and download it. So I already downloaded this, it's there in my download section, so I'll open it. So just go through my procedures and I'm sure it will be successful. Now see, you accept the terms and conditions and click next and wait for the installation to be valid, and no application should be running background, or your phone should not be connected to the PC during this installation of Samsung keys. So make sure that this all stuffs are removed. And the next thing is wait for it, and here you get the information where I'll show you what to do. Make sure that you have internet in your PC, because internet is required in order to make sure that everything is properly installed. So you get, this is the main thing, that additional installation. In the additional installation, you need internet as compulsory. So it's an Unify driver installer. This is your driver installations for your Samsung mobile. So make sure that you tick this and then click next. So this requires internet also. Make sure that this is installed in your PC. So once this is installed, it takes time. Make sure that you give some time to it. Do not hurry yourself at all the time. Okay, the installation has been completed. You can see here, just finish it and let it, the Samsung keys, let it start, wait for it. Okay, then you will see this thing, do not connect your phone, it's not required, just close it off. Okay, now we are done with it, and now you have been extracted your J7 root files, right? Okay, now go here and just press, make sure this to be run it as administrator. Make sure you run as administrator and wait for it. So you see that here the device is not connected in this IDCOM port. So the port is still not connected, the phone. So make sure now you take your USB transfer and connect it. So I have connected it, and let me see. So I am getting the COM file that the port has been connected. Unlock it and wait. You get your Galaxy J7 here. You need to get like this. There will be installation of drivers from your Windows also. Make sure, give it time and let it install from the internet. And once you get these two things, you can, when you're able to access your SD card and phone, that means you have been successful to the 50% of the rooting process. So now, as told, you need to go back to the root files which have been extracted, and you get the Beta Super SU. This one I'll be given you in the folder. So take this zip and directly copy into external SD card. Make sure you have an external SD card, and I already put there, so I'll copy and replace it. So the Beta Super SU is already in the external SD of my car, in my phone. So now time to root your device. So in order to root your device, come back here and make sure that power button, volume down button and home button, make sure that you hold all three at a time. Make sure you hold all three at a time. Okay, and you need to get this warning symbol. So you have got the warning symbol, and now you can see that the volume up is to continue for further upgrades. So for further firmware installation or something, just press the volume up button. Okay, now we have pressed the volume up button, and you can see you're in the download mode. So now let's go for the rooting process. So in order to root your phone, first thing is you need to make sure that you get your device as added here, and it should be connected as not only the same name, but you need to get this blue light COM3, COM5, depends on your phone category or your computer category. That is just the USB port, serial numbers or something like that. So forget that, and now you can see here in the AP section, go to the AP, and you can see the folder which have been extracted. Go there, open it, and you can see the 3 files, that is the tar images. So first thing is J7 unlock boot. Flash this boot. You flash the boot of this, and once you have been selected it, just flash it. After flashing it, press the volume down, power button and home button. Make sure you go to the download mode again. Once you go to the download mode, press the volume down and immediately press the same all 3 buttons at the volume up. So I mean, you need to press the volume up instead of pressing the volume down afterwards. So you need to jump into the recovery mode. Okay. I'm sorry, this is already rooted phone, but let's reboot. Go to the system. Just press the volume down and home button and the power button. Make sure you go to the download mode again. So after flashing that unlock boot, again go to the download mode immediately and press the volume up. Once you're into the volume up, then make sure that you go to the TWRP. Make sure you flash this TWRP into your device. So flash this TWRP, and now the TWRP is already installed in your device. So now just go back, press the volume down, power button and the home button continuously. No issues, the Samsung will get crashed, no problem. Now come down to the download mode. You are into the download mode, and now just flash the stock boot image. Select the stock boot image and flash it. So after flashing a stock boot image, you need to go to the download mode by power button, volume down and the home button. If you be pressing, you'll go to the download mode, and now you can see volume down. So this will go to the cancel, means it will restart your device. So now if you press cancel, the phone will restart. So now what you have to do, pressing the cancel, make sure that after pressing the cancel, immediately hold the power button, home button and the volume up button this time. Okay, instead of pressing the volume down, hold volume up. So press the volume down and immediately hold all the top, the volume up, power button and the home button. So wait for the TWRP to come. Okay, now we are in the TWRP. So this will be coming always. You no need to worry for what you have done. Just swipe to allow modification, and now after installing the stock boot image, now you need to go to the install. As told you, the Super SU, the binary what I told you to copy it. You have to copy in a micro SD, copy it, scroll down, and you get your Beta Super SU 2.68. So the thing what you have been copied in your external SD. So select it and swipe to install. So you no need to worry about this could not mount data or something. That is an it's an encryption in the boot that is not required, but for routing procedure and for ROM installation, that does not interfere with your phone. So no need to worry for it. So now wait for it to complete the installation of the Super SU, the binary installation. Okay. Now, if you get anything like this, fail to mount, do not panic. That is an involvement in your boot image. Forget that. But if you see any successful here, that means the Beta Super SU binary is successfully installed. If you get any failed here, then that means your Beta Super SU is not installed. So watch this. Don't see that. Okay. Now you go to the logs, forget it, and you get the reboot option. Go to the reboot and press system. That's it. You reboot your device after flashing the Beta Super SU. And this one, if you want to question it, this is an edited thing. So I've completely edited my ROM for the Note 7. I needed the white thing. I'll be giving you all the links when the custom ROM is launched for this. I'll be launching it very soon, but still that, do hold on. A couple of times the phone may reboot after installing the binary installation. Do not panic for it. Just wait. Just wait. Just have patience and it will surely work. So once this is done, unlock your device. After unlocking your device, go to the Play Store. Go to Play Store. Let me see. Let me enable my Wi-Fi. Okay, retry. Now, you go for the ROM toolbox. You get the ROM toolbox Lite. It's a free app, so install it. So after installing it, sorry, I got a message, but no problem. After installing it, you make sure that you go to your Super SU first and open your Super SU app. Here, however, I have the expose. That is not a big thing. Okay, now let me see. I'm just showing for the beginners. If you know about this step, then please skip the video. This is actually for the beginners who are a little bit panicked about routing. So after installing the ROM toolbox Lite, so after installing it, you go to the ROM toolbox Lite and you see you go to the app manager just for in case if it asks for routing. So you get this prompting, so make sure that you press the grant. So it's granted. So you get the granted message. So after getting grant message, go back, scroll down, go to the system, scroll down, and you get the build prop. Open it with RB text editor. So open it, and now scroll down quite slowly. No, just a minute, I'm just searching for the okay, see this. You need to get this RO secure storage dot support equals. It will be true in your stock phone. In your stock phone it will be true. Make sure that you make this as false. Just come still here and just type FALSE, false, and again scroll down. You get this RO configure dot knox equals to V30 it will be. So you make sure that it is 0. So if it is 0 and you are done, now save it. It should save. After saving it, exit back and you get the Super SU binary to be updated. Make sure that you press it and continue to upgrade the Super SU binary. I'll just wait for it because the binary should get updated, and once done press OK. Go back and reboot your phone. After rebooting your phone, your device is completely rooted, and now those people who are not keeping any lock to your device, you can remove your lock. You can keep as no swipe. It's swipe. You can keep as swipe. It's up to you to lock the device or keep the device. But during root, you need to lock the device. That's it, guys, about this. Hope you enjoy this, and we'll be coming with the ROM with this new the Grace UX ROM very soon. Will be coming, and you can see that you get all the apps on the screen. There's much more surprises in the room. I'm sure you'll like it because the weather is also grays. So many things are grays, and once we are with the proper room, and yes, we can do better things. And yeah, that's it about. And you can see the Smart Manager here. This is the C5 Smart Manager. However, I'll be giving you an option. Need not to worry. That's all about this, guys. Hope you enjoy the routing section. Please do subscribe for the J7 2016 custom ROMs. If you're a fan of it for custom ROMs, then do subscribe. I'll be the links, all the contact links to me, the groups, the Telegram groups, and the Facebook groups will be given in the link. You can join them, and you can put your queries if you get any doubt. I'll be there, so please ask me. If you're not understood anything, I will come back to you as soon as possible. That's all, guys. Have a great day. We'll see you on the next video for the custom ROM installation. Bye bye.